widely reported error frequently crashes games for which the DLL file is required. Now, players who encounter this issue usually see this error. If you happen to have the same problem, here's how you can fix it. Now, what you can try to do first is to turn off third-party antivirus first before downloading the application. So disable it by going to your taskbar, right-click on your third-party antivirus software, select Shield Controls, and choose Disable until the next restart. Now, if that did not work, try disabling any firewall. For you to do that, open Firewall, click Windows Defender Firewall, then choose Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off navigation option. Now in here, click Turn off Windows Defender Firewall for private and public networks, then select OK to apply the new settings. Lastly, reinstall your graphics card driver. To do that, open Device Manager, click on Display Adapters, then right-click on your driver, then choose Uninstall. Once done, restart your computer so that your driver will be reinstalled. And those are the following fixes for this following error code in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.